The Samsung Galaxy S24 is a cutting-edge smartphone designed for those who demand high performance and advanced features. Storage comes with a spacious 256 gigabytes of internal storage, giving you ample space for apps, photos, videos, and more. AI-powered performance, powered by the fastest processor in the Galaxy series. This smartphone is designed to handle everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. Camera. Equipped with a 50MP camera, the Galaxy S24 lets you capture stunning photos with incredible detail and clarity. Whether it's day or night, the advanced camera system adjusts to different lighting conditions, delivering high-quality images every time. Battery life. The Galaxy S24 boasts a long-lasting battery, allowing you to stay connected throughout the day without worrying about frequent recharging. Fast charging support ensures that you can quickly power up when needed. US version. Specifically tailored for the US market. This version of the Galaxy S24 is optimized for use with US carriers and networks. The Samsung Galaxy S24 represents the future of mobile technology, offering everything you need in a smartphone and more, so check the link in the description.